What a beautiful rug we have on our hands today. Oh my goodness, this is a beautiful wool face, pure wool right here, but it's a silk foundation, which means these fringes are silk. The foundation yarns in the rug are silk. The rug does look like it might have a little bit of color bleeding, so we will treat it accordingly, but no problem at all. Let's get it all cleaned up. Okay, so with this rug, the first step is to neutralize the dyes, just in case they're bleeding. So I'm applying a dye bleed solution. This is a dye release product. Basically what that means is it allows the rug to bleed the colors out without actually bonding those colors to the rug. So if there are loose dyes in this rug, once we apply this solution, those dyes, they pretty much just rinse right out. And that'll give us a window of time to be able to clean the rug without causing any damage to it. So the first step is to fully saturate it in the dye release solution for max protection. Then I'll rinse it out until the bleeding slows a little bit, and we'll start with the actual cleaning. It's kind of hard to tell, but the way our wash floor is set up right now, there's actually water running behind me, which is pushing all of the dirty water and soap and dyes and everything out of the rug. So if you pay attention, you can kind of see it running behind me and then coming down, running through the rug. That's just mimicking the original creators of these rugs hundreds of years ago. You know, before we had the technology available now, they would actually wash rugs in the river. Now I'm just doing a little squeegeeing, pushing as much of that dirt and dye and everything out of the rug as I can before I get started with the cleaning process. So you see it's letting out a little bit there, but it's not as bad as when we started. I'd say it's pretty much ready to go. So we'll go ahead and get it all rinsed out and start the cleaning now. So the cleaning process is pretty similar to most of the other rugs I clean if you watch the channel. I'm using my custom brush head with the fine bristles for the safest and deepest clean possible, and I'm just scrubbing in our silk rug shampoo. Even though this rug has a wool face, you want to clean it based on the most delicate material, which in this case is the silk. So once this rug is fully saturated and scrubbed with that silk rug shampoo, I'll let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then we'll rinse it out, and we just kind of repeat that process front and back until the water runs completely clear.